Okay.
We are putting Vinny's snowshoes on so he can go out and play in the snow. As you can see, he absolutely loves doing this. He's very happy because this way his little paws don't get cold and wet, which he really hates. The trick to getting these on and keeping them on is getting them tight. Okay, Vinny, you want to show him your shoes? Come here, Vinny. Come on, you want a treat? Come on, let's get a treat from the kitchen. Come on, let's get a treat. Let's get a treat. Who wants a treat? You want a treat? Come on. You want a treat? You want a treat? Come on, babies. Come on, Vinny. Come on, you can do it. You walked in these last year just fine. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, babies. Come on. He really does like to walk in these. It just takes him a while for him to get used to them. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. There you go.